What if one tool could research, write, publish, and promote your content while you slept? Not theoretically, not someday, right now, today. I've tested over 40 AI tools in the last 18 months, automation stacks, agent frameworks, no-code builders. I've spent real money and real time on all of it, and nothing came close to what I'm about to show you. This agent isn't just generating content, it's making decisions, sequencing tasks, fixing its own mistakes. It operates more like a junior employee than a chatbot. And the income potential attached to this workflow? I'll show you the exact math. Stick with me. Let's talk numbers, because vague promises are worthless. A faceless YouTube channel in the AI tools niche currently earns between $12 and $22 RPM. That means 100,000 views generates roughly $1,200 to $2,200 per month passively. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Channels using automated agent workflows are publishing 3 to 5 videos per week without a human writing a single word. Some are hitting 300,000 views in their first 90 days. The math compounds fast, and the startup cost? Under $50 a month. Most people miss this part entirely. We are in a 12 to 18-month window where AI-generated content is still early enough to dominate with minimal competition, but mature enough that the tools actually work. YouTube's algorithm rewards consistency. AI agents deliver consistency at a scale no human can match manually. 6 months from now, this niche will be saturated. The creators who move now will own the top positions and the algorithm momentum that comes with them. Timing is the actual strategy here. Here is the exact workflow. Simple, repeatable. Step 1. Topic research. The agent scrapes trending queries from YouTube, Reddit, and Google Trends simultaneously. No guessing, pure data. Step 2. Script generation. It writes a full video script in your chosen tone, optimized for retention, with hooks built in automatically. Step 3. Voiceover. An 11 Labs voice clone reads the script. Your voice, your brand. No recording required. Step 4. Video assembly. The agent pairs visuals from stock libraries with the audio using a tool like Pictory or InVideo AI. Full video, exported automatically. Step 5. Scheduling. It uploads to YouTube with an SEO-optimized title, description, and tags, then posts a short-form clip to TikTok simultaneously. 1 workflow, 2 platforms, 0 manual labor. Here is what this actually costs. AI agent platform, roughly $20 a month. 11 Labs voice, $11. Video tool, $19. Total, approximately $50 a month. 1 monetized video that hits 50,000 views pays for 6 months of tools. The economics are not complicated. But here is the twist most beginners overlook. YouTube AdSense is just the floor. The real ceiling comes from affiliate links embedded in descriptions. AI tools pay $50 to $200 per referral. A single video ranking for the right keyword can generate affiliate income for years. Stack AdSense, affiliates, and eventually a digital product, and you have 3 income streams from 1 piece of content. The #1 fear I hear: YouTube won't monetize AI content. That is outdated information. YouTube's policy monetizes content based on value delivered to the viewer, not how it was produced. Thousands of AI-assisted channels are fully monetized right now. The rule is simple. If it helps the viewer, it qualifies. Here's what separates the top 1% from everyone else who tries this. Do not build a generic channel. Pick a specific niche within AI: personal finance automation, AI for real estate, AI for students. Specificity builds trust. Trust builds subscribers. Subscribers build long-term income. The tools are commodities now. Your positioning is the actual moat. Now that you understand the workflow, the next question is, which AI agent platform is actually worth your $20? I broke down the top 3 head-to-head with real output comparisons and income potential ranked highest in the video coming up next.
Do not build anything until you watch that one first.